Have you ever wondered what would happen if one creative brief could handle an entire project from start to finish? Instead of switching between different AI tools for branding, marketing, editing, and content creation, what if everything happened inside a single creative workspace? That's exactly what I'm exploring today with Miora, an agentic creative studio designed to take you from a simple idea to complete production. Rather than acting like a traditional chatbot, Miora organizes the entire creative process around dedicated AI specialists, reusable skills, agent memory, and an infinite canvas where every asset stays connected throughout the project. To see how well this works in a real production workflow, I'm going to build an entire outdoor adventure brand from scratch. My goal is to create a premium hiking and camping brand, complete with a professional logo, brand identity, product packaging, social media creatives, and promotional video content, all inside one project. I'll start by creating a new project and entering this prompt: create a premium outdoor adventure brand focused on hiking and camping equipment. Generate a modern logo, brand identity, color palette, product packaging, social media creatives, and cinematic promotional videos. The overall style should feel adventurous, premium, minimal, and visually consistent across every asset. Before generating anything, Miora begins analyzing the project instead of immediately producing random images. It identifies the industry, understands the creative direction, organizes the production workflow, and starts building a structured foundation for the entire brand. This is where Miora already feels different. Instead of treating every request as a separate prompt, it approaches the project like a creative team preparing a real production pipeline. One feature I also like here is the specialist system. Instead of relying on one general AI model, you can activate dedicated specialists for different creative tasks like branding, illustration, UI/UX, video production, and more. Depending on your project, each specialist focuses on a specific part of the creative process, making the workflow feel much more organized. Another useful feature is skills. If you already have a workflow that works well, you can save it as a reusable skill and launch it again whenever you need it. That means, instead of rebuilding the same workflow from scratch for every project, you can simply reuse it and maintain consistency across future work. Now let's continue with the actual production. Within a short time, Miora generates the first logo concepts for the brand. The results immediately look polished and commercially usable. The typography is clean, the symbols match the outdoor theme, and the overall identity already feels like something you could realistically see on premium hiking products. What stands out most isn't just the logo itself, but how everything begins connecting together. Rather than creating isolated assets, Miora starts building an entire visual system. The logo, colors, typography, and overall creative direction already feel unified. Next, Miora expands the project with supporting brand elements, including color recommendations and visual identity. Instead of creating disconnected pieces, every design decision supports the same overall style, giving the project a much stronger sense of consistency before we even move into marketing materials. Now that the foundation is complete, let's continue building the actual product experience. Prompt: generate premium product packaging concepts for this outdoor adventure brand using the established visual identity while maintaining a premium, modern outdoor aesthetic. The first packaging concepts are generated within moments, and the results feel like a natural extension of the brand we just created. The colors, typography, and layout all follow the same visual language established earlier, making the packaging feel like part of one complete identity rather than a separate design. Now, let's test how well Miora handles revisions. Prompt: update the packaging with a dark forest green and matte black premium finish while preserving the overall brand identity and layout. This is where many creative tools usually lose consistency, but Miora keeps the core identity intact while applying the requested changes. Instead of generating an entirely different design, it intelligently refines the existing concept, which feels much closer to a real creative workflow. Next, let's create marketing assets. Prompt: generate modern Instagram posts and promotional social media creatives for this outdoor adventure brand using the existing visual identity. The generated content immediately follows the same branding system we've built so far. From typography to color usage and composition, everything remains visually consistent, making the assets look ready for a real marketing campaign instead of random AI-generated images. Now, let's move into video production. Prompt: create a cinematic promotional advertisement highlighting premium outdoor gear, breathtaking mountain landscapes, and the adventurous lifestyle behind the brand. What I like most is that the scenes don't feel disconnected. The characters, lighting, camera movement, and overall atmosphere remain consistent throughout the sequence, making it feel much closer to a professionally planned commercial than a collection of isolated clips. Let's generate another creative direction. Prompt: create a fast-paced vertical advertisement optimized for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts while maintaining the same brand identity. Having multiple marketing styles inside the same project is incredibly useful because you can quickly adapt your content for different platforms without rebuilding everything from scratch. Beyond branding and video production, Miora also includes dedicated specialists for UI/UX prototyping and 3D asset generation, making it flexible enough to support many different creative workflows from a single workspace. Another feature worth highlighting is agent memory. Instead of simply remembering your logo or brand colors, agent memory learns how you work over time. It understands your creative preferences, your design style, your workflow, and the overall context of your project, helping future assets stay consistent without repeatedly explaining everything from the beginning. Finally, let's take a look at the infinite canvas. This is where the entire project comes together. Every generated asset remains fully editable inside one connected workspace. I can select individual elements, replace text, adjust layouts, reposition assets, and refine specific parts of the project without restarting the entire workflow. Everything stays organized in one place, making revisions much faster and significantly more practical. Looking at the final canvas, it's easy to see the complete journey. We started with nothing more than a single creative brief, and Miora transformed it into a complete brand identity, including logos, visual identity, packaging, social media creatives, promotional videos, and fully editable project assets. That's exactly what Miora means by taking you from brief to delivery. Overall, Miora feels less like a traditional AI generator and more like a complete creative production environment. The combination of specialists, reusable skills, agent memory, infinite canvas, and end-to-end production makes it a compelling solution for creators, startups, agencies, marketers, and businesses looking to accelerate high-quality creative work without constantly switching between different tools. If you'd like to explore Miora yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Let me know what kind of project you'd build first, and thanks for watching.